Hey YouTubers, we're here doing a barred unit at a site, and here is the dirty condenser fins from the side that matters. A lot of people think that if you wash this side that you'll get all the dirt off. This side actually looks kind of clean. But what you don't realize is that it's this side that matters. Okay, so I have to explain what was happening when we when we were charging this unit up. The compressor gave us some weird noises, sort of like gas whistling noises, if you could say. We're getting about 123 psi on the low side, and this is still R22 unit, and we put in a new compressor too, but it's very high pressure for R22. R22 is supposed to be about 68 to maybe, I would say the highest 75 psi, and you'll still get an indoor coil that can cool. But the thing is, when you have a condenser unit that's this caked up, you'll get that pressure. And right now we'll make another video once we get it cleaned up, and you know, this thing can actually get rid of the heat. In my textbook it's called inefficient condenser. So basically it can't keep up with the heat the indoor is absorbing. So yeah, we'll show you right now when we clean it.